Make a great choice today with the 2022 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, driver attention alert system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.